Hi, today I'm going to help you fix your LG washer if you're having problems with the inside of the washer not turning and it's making a terrible noise in the back. My name is Jeff Kellen. I work on a lot of different things, and what I did is I called Sears first because for $315 they'll actually come out, they'll service the machine, they'll give you a 1-year warranty. I did that. And then I called the LG specialist. He wanted $79 just to come out and look at it without giving me any other credit. And then I called a place back east and they said something about a bearing. There's like a plastic piece on the outside of the bearing, and that turned out to be a bunch of hogwash. I also called LG and they told me that it was the bearing for sure. Well, I decided to take the machine apart myself since it was out of warranty. It only has a 10-year warranty on the actual motor itself, which is probably the last thing that will go on your washer. The most likely thing is this rotor in the back. And basically for $57, I fixed it myself. It was the easiest thing you can't imagine. And what it was is the back of the rotor actually has grooves in it that fit onto the bolt. Well, the bolt stripped out the grooves on the inside here. You could kind of make out some of the portion of the grooves that were there before, but it's really smooth here now because it was making all this noise turning around because it was stripped out. I tried tightening the bolt a couple times. I couldn't figure out what it was. And then finally, a couple days before Sears came out, I decided, okay, I'm going to take it apart. So what I did is, go ahead and get a shot of this. Is I took the, that's the rotor that goes on the outside of the motor right there. I took that bolt off right there, and then I turned around and just pulled the rotor off. It took a little bit of work to get off. It wasn't the easiest thing, but it did come right off because it's kind of magnetized around it. And that's all I had to do. And then I put the new rotor on, I put the bolt on. Before I put the bolt on, I actually put some of this Loctite stuff on there around the bolt, and it locked on there, and that pretty much took care of the problem. And that's a way you can fix your LG washer if it's making a lot of noise in the back and it's not turning inside your washer. And what I also found out was this is a common problem for these type of washers. I almost bought a new washer. Can you believe that? Thanks a lot, and look at some of my other videos when you get a chance. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.